going on, family? Today we're gonna do a DEF filter replacement on this Volvo D13. Now this is the Volvo DEF filter. This is the part number on that. It is 233-81562. This is the original Volvo. And if you wanted to look for it online, you can find it cheaper. I think I paid about 107 or so at Volvo for this Volvo branded original filter, and the cross reference to Bosch is 233-81562-5603604. So that's the Bosch number if you want to look it up. Cross-reference that over and it'll be cheaper. But I like to support my local Volvo dealer. They're, you know, really good group of people, so I like to support my local dealer. And this is what you get with the Volvo filter, branded DEF filter. You'll get this filter has O-rings on each end, an O-ring on this end and on the other end. The ends are different, and there's a reason for that. What you also get with the Volvo branded filter is a removal tool that we can pull out your old DEF filter. And how this works is, if you see here, see how this is kind of like 90 degrees. Well, if you pinch it here, it goes smaller, so then you could insert it into the existing filter that's installed right now, and then you can pull it out. That's how this tool works. This is a removal tool. Now this is the filter seat, and it sits on the bottom of the filter, and then the cover goes underneath all of it together. Very important, you will need an 1 inch and 1/16 12-point socket, and then a 1/2 inch breaker bar or ratchet, some, you know, nitrile gloves. You don't want to get, you know, any of this DEF fluid, you know, it crystallizes, makes kind of a mess. And a container to catch some of the, very little bit of the fluid is going to come out. And then of course you want a tarp or something to lay on so you don't get dirty all over on the dirt, you know. Also wanted to mention, this is the DEF fluid tank right here. So this is what we'll be working on the back side is the pump. The DEF fluid pump is bolted to the back of this tank, and also have some blue towels ready just in case also before you do this. And I'll show you underneath the back side of the tank, show you where this is at. Now we are underneath the DEF tank, and I'll show you where we need to install this socket to break it loose, and it'll be on this funky pointed, this 12-point nut, plastic nut. So you want to be careful. This is plastic, and as you can see, this is an 1 inch and 1/16 12-point socket. Fits perfectly on her. They're like very nice fit. So then I'm gonna break this loose and bring you guys back. So we just unscrewed the cover, the drain cover, and now we remove the installer piece. Now we use our extractor tool to pull the filter out. Now I want to show you what comes out of this right here. You know, a lot of dirt and debris. You know, this is the condition of the old filter. Yeah, it's completely a whole different color of all the debris it's been catching, and you know, so, and this is some of the fluid that was coming out of it. So definitely there's dirt in there and gunk that you want to make sure you change out your filter at the recommended intervals. And just for clarification, I want to show you guys which side goes up and which side goes down. This side goes up, and this is the side from the bottom view. So just so you know, it only kind of goes in one way anyways. I just want to let you guys know so you don't try to force it in the wrong way. And before we install the new one, we will clean out this area. I see a little bit of residue in here, a DEF fluid residue, so we want to get all this out. This side goes down. And then install the drain cap. Got this cap about hand tight, and it says 20 Newton meters plus 5. So in the range of 20 to 25 Newton meters, which is 14.4 pound feet. You can go up to about 18 pound feet. That's not a whole lot, so I'm just gonna hand tighten it, and then a little turn, a little about there. So just a little past hand tight. Doesn't take much, you know. This is plastic, you know, so you got to make sure you don't over tighten this for sure. Now I did flush out my DEF tank with about 3 gallons of water till the fluid came out clear. And this is the bottom of the DEF tank. You need a 12mm socket to remove this drain plug. And that's where I drained out the distilled water through. There's also a filter right here. This is a filter also, the filler neck filter here. So there's also that filter, but you know, small particles still get through that. Now I'm gonna add a couple gallons of the DEF fluid. Each month or so, I like to run a full tank of the boxed DEF. I notice it's a little bit better quality, and it lasts a little longer when I run a tank of this. So just a little bit of preventive maintenance goes a long way. Want to extend the life as much as possible of all these emissions components. So if you liked my video, I hope I earned your subscription. Please hit the like button, and I hope to see you next time.